Hi, welcome to JDCs. We are an institute running for 11th and 12th science and teaching CET, JEE and main since past 47 years. We started our journey in the year 1979 and still we are standing strong is only because we care for students. हम यहाँ पर उन बच्चों को जो 11-12 साइंस में सीईटी जेईई और नीट के प्रिपरेशन करने वाले बच्चे हैं उनके लिए इस तरह का माहौल क्रिएट करते हैं कि वो यहां पर अपने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को शेयर कर सके. सो वी आर नॉट ओनली एन एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट बट वी आर हियर टू प्रोवाइड अ होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टू द स्टडीज एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई दैट वी हैव created champions, we have created scholars, and we have created so many engineers and doctors that our result speaks for itself. Vivek Kamath 99.98 percentile in CET, or it is Ankit Yadav 98.71 in JEE are the spokesperson of our approach, our method of teaching. So hello everyone, today we'll be studying UV rule of integration. How do we prove it and what are the basic constraint, basic rules about it. All right, so let us begin. The formula for UV rule is this. First of all, understand the formula. Let me just make a little bit. So formula is integral UV dx is u integral v dx minus sine integral sine du by dx integral v dx the whole dx. This is what is the formula. Now what we do is, if we consider this as a formula, then we have to understand how do we prove this. So what we do is, see, one thing is that you have to understand is, check this out. This integral v dx, this part is coming twice in the formula. So what we do is, we consider this as a new variable. So when I start with the solution or the proof of this statement, we consider integral v dx as a new variable. Let us call it as w. Now let us understand definition of primitive. What is definition of primitive? Definition of primitive is when integration changes the side, it becomes derivative. Therefore, so here integral dx will change the side, it will become v, and we will get dw by dx. All right. Now, any formula which has come from integration will be derived from derivatives. So we consider, we are doing integration of uv, for which we have to consider derivative of uv. So consider d by dx of uv. Rather, we know this formula, it is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. But what we do is, because we have resubstituted v in terms of w, so we will take derivative of uw. So what that will be? U dw by dx plus w du by dx. Are you all getting this? Now what we do is, we again apply definition of primitive. What we do is, again apply definition of primitive. And we replace derivative with integration. So derivative will change the side, you'll get integration. So UW will be equal to integral of U dW by dx plus W du by dx, the whole of dx. Now split the integral. What do we get? So we get UW is equal to integral U dW by dx, the whole dx, plus integral of W du by dx, the whole dx. Now we replace W and dW by dx in the equation. So what we get is U. In place of W, what can we do is, in place of W, what can we do is this. W will be integral V dx. So U integral V dx is equal to integral U dW by dx was V. So uv dx plus integral du by dx, write it ahead, and W you replace by integral V dx, the whole dx. Now change the side of this term, shift the side, and you keep it uv dx as it is, and what you get is u integral v dx minus integral du by dx, integral v dx, the whole dx. Hope you all are getting this. Everyone understood? Thank you so much.
I am Rishabh Yadav from JDC 11th standard. Here the environment is nice and they take regularly mock tests, and even there are dedicated doubt clearing sessions.
JDC is best and compatible for 11th and 12th.
Hello everyone, I'm Mansi Yadav. I'm studying in 11th class. I've joined JDCs for pursuing my 11th, 12th plus NEET UG. The environment here is very friendly and it helps me in studying. So the teachers here are very supportive and friendly as well. The students are also quite nice, so it helps to concentrate in studies and prepare for the entrance.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं हमारे बॉडी का एक वाइटल मोस्ट ऑर्गन, हार्ट. हार्ट, जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, इट पंप्स द ब्लड इनटू द बॉडी, द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड वाया द लंग्स एंड द डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो बॉडी से होके हार्ट में आता है. बेसिक एक स्ट्रक्चर समझाने जाओ तो एक ऐसा कुछ हमारा हार्ट दिखता है एट द मोस्ट ऑफ इंटरनल एनाटॉमी. इंटरनल एनाटॉमी में हार्ट के कौन से पार्ट्स आते हैं, आइए देखते हैं. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमारा है, इट इज हार्ट इज अ 4 चेम्बर स्ट्रक्चर. अब जब मैं 4 चेम्बर स्ट्रक्चर बोलता हूं, मतलब क्या? इट हैज द वन अरोटा, वन आर्टरी, सेकेंड आर्टरी, third ventricle and fourth ventricle. That is 4 chambers, 2 atrias and 2 ventricles. Next क्या आता है? Next it comes is the सुपीरियर वीना कावा, जिसके मदद से ब्लड अंदर आता है, इंफीरियर वीना कावा, जिसकी मदद से ब्लड बाहर जाता है. द नेक्स्ट आर्टरी कम्स इज द बिगेस्ट मोस्ट इज द अरोटा आर्टरी. अरोटा आर्टरी विच पंप्स द ब्लड from the heart towards the body, which is the oxygenated blood.
With this background, I cordially invite you to come and learn with us in this decades-old Institute for Science. Thank you so much.